So in this video, I'm going to review an app called SoSoValue Crypto Tracker. And this is a financial data platform for crypto investors. Okay, we're going to go through the different features it has, and we're going to also look at the airdrop feature which the app has, and etc. Okay, so after installing the app, you will have a section, your dashboard, you'll be introduced to a markets dashboard. Okay, this is a markets dashboard. I think it's a default dashboard that you kind of presented. Okay, down there is actually other icons like the news feed, TokenBar, watchlist, AI Socrates, and EXP. Experience section where you actually track your AI drops, as we're going to see. Up here on the top navigation and the global metrics, under the asset categories, you can switch from cryptocurrencies, indexes, ETF, crypto stocks. Okay. So you can switch between these tabs to see how different sectors of the digital economy are kind of actually performing. Right, just below the tabs, you can see the total market cap, okay, of different currencies, okay, and a 24-hour trading volume. You can also see the network health, okay, and all that stuff. The main list ranks coins by the market cap. You can see that BTC is actually at the top, followed by Ethereum, okay, at 2022, okay, 2022, okay, 2290, okay. And you can look at the stable coins. I see some stable coins, USDT, USDC, they are holding pegs at approximately like $1. Then it goes up, but it looked to be actually stable. And when you look at the 24-hour changes, the green numbers on the right show the percentage growth over the last day. Okay, that is the last 24 hours. Okay. So they're always actually kind of changing. So this is making it one of the stronger gainers in this view. So this is something that you have to really follow up. On the left side, the star icons on the left allow you to quickly add assets like BTC, EHT to your personal watch list, whatever you want to make it as your favorite. Let me do I've already marked this, so you can make something favorite. You can, so let me add this. Okay, you just have to click there. Then talk about the filtering and sorting. We have the sector and spotlight section. This drop down allows you to filter the list by specific niches, okay? You can see layer 1 and several niches, okay? Meme coins and all that, to see which part of the market is trending. So that is actually a drop down that you can use here. At the bottom, we have the news feed. Under the news feed, you see crypto news to help you understand why prices are moving. We have the TokenBar. This is a unique feature likely related to their token data or community rewards, okay? We have the AI Socrates. This is the app is built in AI assistant, which can help you answer complex questions about the data you're seeing. Then we have the EXP, and this is the airdrop section. This is where you find and claim tokens. So let me click here. Okay. To someone who is wondering maybe the airdrop requirements and participation, you need to follow clear step-by-step instructions provided within the app to claim the rewards. Okay, here you can really track your progress. Participation typically requires performing actions like following social media accounts, sharing posts, and all that stuff. I see this is Instagram, there is TikTok, you know. So the EXP system is where you can track your progress and potentially qualify for token distributions based on your activity level. Okay, so you can kind of track it from this section. I'm seeing you can daily check-ins and all that stuff. Okay, so the interface is actually kind of generally simple. And always remember that legit airdrops will never ask for your private keys or seed phrases. They only ask for your public wallet address to send you the coins. So be careful about scams or people who may actually ask you for your private keys. Okay, so that's what I can say about SoSoValue Crypto Tracker app. And let me know your say about this app. I'll see you in the next video.